Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to learn computers of standard 4th, okay? Lesson 4, more in MS Word, okay? What is there in MS Word? Now see, first is editing text, okay? So in MS Word, first we will learn about editing text. Okay. So, what is editing? Who will tell me? Now see, MS Word is a processing software. Word processing means typing, editing and formatting the text and graphic using some word processing software, okay? In this we are going to learn editing text first. So once we have typed the text, you may make changes in the text by inserting text, cutting, deleting or replacing text in the document. This is called editing. This can be done by the following operations. See, for example, I will show you. This is your computer screen, okay? In this you have open MS Word. Now, for example, this is the cursor, okay? Cursor. Now, you are typing your name or we will type Rosary. Now, I want this in small letters. So, what we will do? We will delete this. We will delete this and we will write again in small letters. First word will be capital. Like this. That means we can do editing. We can change the word, we can delete the word, we can replace the word, okay? Or if we want to insert some picture. Here I want to insert some picture like this, okay? I want to insert something, you can color it also, and again you want to delete. No, instead of this picture I want the picture of fish. So we can remove this. This is what? Editing. Now I am editing my fish over here. Okay. So we can do the changes, whatever we want, we can do the changes with the help of editing. Then we can insert the text, we can delete the text, we can copy from this file, I can copy this image in the other file. Okay, like this we can do. We can type different type of things over here. Plus we can delete, or you want to paste this paragraph in some other file, this also you can do in this, okay. Now other modifications can also be done, such as undo and redo changes. What is undo and redo? Now for example, image of fish. First you have insert this. Now you feel that no, we will not put the image of fish. Then you have to undo it. Then it will go. Now again you want it, again that fish back. Again redo it, again it will come. If some word is there, if you don't want, you remove it. And again you want the word, then redo it. This is undo and redo. Okay. Now finding and replacing the text. You can find if something you want, for example, you have written something and you delete it. Again you want, you can go in the recycle bin and again you can take that thing, whatever file is there. Then correcting the spelling and grammar. If you are typing a passage or a big something in the word, there is a correction of spelling and grammar. There it will come in the red underline. So you can do the correction of spelling mistakes also, and you can do the grammatic mistakes. If it is there, you can do the correction, okay. After that is inserting text. What is inserting text now? Text can be inserted in a document by any point as follows. Okay, I'll show you the image of inserting the text. To insert words or a line, what we have to do? See here, put your cursor where you want to add, okay, the text. Anjali is 8 years old girl. She loves her family very much. So the cursor is where she. You can make the changes over here. Okay. And you can insert something else sentence over here. You want to cut this or you want to add one more sentence over here. So where your cursor is, you just have to cut and paste. The sentence will come over here. Okay. Now start typing new text. As you type new text, the existing text move on the right. So as you start typing over here, the new text will come over here and the first, whichever the sentence is there, it will go in further. Now Anjali is 8 years old girl. Her family loves her very much. So this sentence is inserted. Inserting the text, that means this sentence has been inserted. Her family loves her very much. Then she loves her family very much. It went further and this sentence came in between. Okay. So this was inserting the text. Text is what? The sentence which we have inserted over here. Okay. After that is deleting the text. Now how to delete this text? Text can be deleted in MS Word by using two keys. There are two keys with the help of first is backspace. With the help of backspace, you can delete your sentence or you can delete the text. After that is delete key. Okay, there are two keys which is used for deleting. If you have, as I have shown you, if the cursor is over here and you have typed over here something, standard 4th, now you want to delete this word. So you just have to take the cursor over here and press the backspace key, that will be deleted. Okay. And directly also you can select that word and you can delete that word. Okay. Now after that is to delete the letters or words, what we have to do. Suppose your text Indra, instead of India by mistake. See, now there is a word Indra. It should be India. So what you will do, you have to take the cursor over here and press the backspace key. Okay. If the cursor is here, you just have to press the backspace key. This will erase and here you can write I like this. Okay. I'll show you the image. See, position the cursor R. You have to keep the cursor on R. Press the backspace key, R will be removed. Then R will be removed and you can type it as I. Position the cursor R, then press delete key, R will be removed. If you press the delete key, R will be removed. There are two types, means both the first is backspace key. With the help of backspace key, how you will remove that R, and with the help of delete key, how you will remove your R. It's there in the image also, and you can practice this at home in MS Office Word. After that is copying the text. Now, how to copy the text? There are few steps. Sometimes you are required to write a word or a sentence multiple times. Now, for example, here I am writing I love to read books. Okay. I want this sentence 20 times. What I'll do? I will copy this text. Okay. I will copy this text and I'll paste it down. So, this can be done by copying or moving the text. Now, first steps are select the text you wish to copy. Whatever you want to copy, you have to first select the text. Then click on copy button in the clipboard group of the home tab. Then in the home tab, you have to go and clip group of home tab. You have to copy that much. After that, if you press the copy button, in where you want to paste, you can paste it, or there is a shortcut key Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. Ctrl plus C to copy. Then Ctrl, there is the Ctrl key on the keyboard, and together you have to press the X to cut. After that, Ctrl plus V button to paste. Okay. Now see, Ctrl plus C to copy, Ctrl plus X to cut and Ctrl plus V to paste. Okay. You have to learn this shortcut keys also. Now, I love to read books. We can type it in many sentences I want to make of this. So, what I will do? Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. That means this sentence I want 10 times, so I can paste it 10 times. Okay. Place your cursor where you want the text in the document. Now, right click and click paste option. Okay. Where you want the text, there right click and press the paste option. This is copy and paste. To copy, cut, paste the text, you can also use as a shortcut keys. As I have told you, Ctrl plus C copy, Ctrl plus X to cut and Ctrl plus V to paste. Wherever you want, you can paste it. Okay. Now, moving text. For example, this is one more sentence. I read the books in school. Now you have to select this. If you will select, it will come in this square. Now moving text means to shift the text from one place to another. From here I want this page, this text in some other page or on the next page. So I want to move this. First we have to select that text. Now after that, moving is done by cut and paste. The steps are, you can do cut and paste. First step, select the text you wish to move. Now we have selected this, thus I want this text in the other page. Now cut on the cut button in the clipboard group of the home tab. Where you have to go, clipboard, on the home tab there will be cut button. Then place the cursor where you want the text in the document and right click on the click paste, where you have to take this text. I will show you the image. See here. Now this text is selected. After that, this text is added in above this passage. That means the cursor should be over here, and I have moved that from that text to over here, and we have to paste it. Then that will be copy and paste. Okay. So in whichever file you want to paste, you can go in that file and you can paste your passage. Okay. After that is undo changes and redo changes. word keeps a track of the changes that you make, so that you can easily remove a change and restore the original text. Undo and redo, as I have shown you before that how to do undo and how to do redo. Still I will show you in the textbook how it is. This textbook you will get from the school only, okay, if you want. See, word keeps a track of the changes that you make, so that you can easily remove a change and restore the original text. Undo, to reserve the last action can be done. Click the undo button on the quick access toolbar or press Ctrl Z. If you will press Ctrl plus Z, you will do the undo thing. Then what is the shortcut for undo? Ctrl plus Z. For redo, whatever last action is done, okay, undo, it reverse the last action what you have done. Whatever you have done, the last action can be undo. And redo is what? To reverse the action of the undo command. Redo is what? To reverse the action of undo command. Click the redo button and the quick access toolbar or press Ctrl Y. There is a shortcut key for redo also, Ctrl plus Y. Okay. So this was undo and redo. After that is correcting with spelling and grammar. Now you want to do the grammar and spelling mistakes are there. You want to change the grammar and change the spelling mistakes. If you have done anything spelling mistake, it can be changed. Word has a built dictionary and set grammatical rules to check the document. There is in MS Word, there is a dictionary, built-in dictionary, means inside only the dictionary is there. With the help of that, grammatic mistakes are also, grammatic rules are also there. With the help of that, you can check the spellings and you can check your grammar, whether my sentence is right or no. It will be in red underline. If you have a spelling mistake, that is also will be in the red underline. Okay. Word with wrong spellings are underlined with single red wave line. Grammatical errors are indicated with green wave line. Okay. See, like this, red wave line and green wave line is there. With the help of this, we will come to know. First, what you have to do, right click the word with a red wave line. The pop-up menu opens up with alternative word. If you right click over there, there will be a pop-up menu with the alternative word. Click on the word with the correct spelling in the menu. From this, we have to correct the spelling. After that, the incorrect word will be replaced with the correct spelling. After that, whatever is incorrect, that will be replaced with the correct spelling. See over here, corrected word is over here. It will be replaced with the correct spelling. Okay. Now finding and replacing the text. How to find the text? You can find a particular word in MS Word by using find option. There is a find option in MS Word. With that, you can find the word. Follow these steps to find a word. Now we have to follow the steps to how to find the word. First, click on the find button in the editing group. In the editing group, you have to click on find. Find and replace dialog box will appear. After that, find and replace. I will show you the image of that dialog box. See here. Like this box will come, find and replace. Type the word you want to find in the find word box. Here you have to type whichever word you have typed over here. Now, whatever word you want, you can type over here and it will come. Now, click on find in button. After that, we have to click in find in button. As you click this button, your cursor will automatically come to the word you have asked to find. So, now for here it is child. Okay. Now, whatever word you want, you just have to type in the find box. Then automatically it will come near that word. Okay. So after that is replacing the text. You can replace a particular word with a new word. Now you want to replace some word, you can replace it with a new word. Click on replace tab in the find and repeat dialog box. You have to click on the replace box in find and replace button. So first, after that second step, what you will do, type the text that you want to replace in the find word box. Then in the replace with box, type the new text. See here. First, click on replace tab in the find and replace dialog box over here. Then second step, type the text on you want to replace in the find what. In the find what, this box will come, there you have to type. In the replace with box, type the new text. Now I want to find some new word. So you have to type in that box new word. Click on replace button. Again you have to click on the replace or click on replace all buttons to replace all word existing in the Word document. Okay.